Assalamu alaikum. मेरा नाम आरिफ मंसूरी है and I'm the host of the Mansuri Show. The show that is best described as मिलाऊंगा, बताऊंगा, दिखाऊंगा. Your link to everything Pakistani straight from California, the Mansuri Show. नाज़रीन, आज के प्रोग्राम में हम आपको लिए चलेंगे इस्लामिक सोसाइटी ऑफ नॉर्थ अमेरिका ISNA के सालाना कन्वेंशन में. ISNA का ये 3 रोज़ा सालाना कन्वेंशन शिकागो में मुनक़्क़िद हुआ और एक अंदाज़े के मुताबिक इसको 20,000 से ज़ायद लोगों ने अटेंड किया. ISNA मुसलमानों की नॉर्थ अमेरिका में सबसे पुरानी और सबसे बड़ी अम्ब्रेला ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है और इसके अगराज़ व मक़ासद में ना सिर्फ ये कि मुस्लिम उम्मा के फ़लाह बहबूद पे काम करना है, बल्कि इंटरफेथ रिलेशनशिप बिल्डिंग और इस्लाम के बारे में अंडरस्टैंडिंग को फ़रोग़ देना भी है. ISNA के प्रेसिडेंट जनाब अज़हर अज़ीज़ का कहना था कि ISNA के इस एनुअल कन्वेंशन का मकसद सिर्फ मुसलमानों को एक जगह इकट्ठा करना नहीं, बल्कि उन तमाम लोगों को जो मुख्तलिफ़ मज़ाहिब और मुख्तलिफ़ बैकग्राउंड से ताल्लुक़ रखते हैं एक जगह जमा करना है ताकि पीस और अंडरस्टैंडिंग को फ़रोग़ दिया जा सके और ऐसे मसाइल जैसे इस्लामोफोबिया को एड्रेस किया जा सके. इस्लामिक सोसाइटी ऑफ नॉर्थ अमेरिका के इस सालाना कन्वेंशन में मुस्लिम स्टूडेंट्स एसोसिएशन ऑफ द यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स एंड कनाडा MSA नेशनल और मुस्लिम यूथ ऑफ नॉर्थ अमेरिका MYNA ने भी हिस्सा लिया. इस कन्वेंशन में बहुत कुछ शामिल था, जिसमें ख़ास तौर पर एक बाज़ार या एग्ज़िबिशन जिसमें 500 से ज़ायद वेंडर्स ने अपने बूथ लगाए. उसके अलावा एक एंटरप्रेन्योरियल शोकेस, आर्ट एग्ज़िबिशन, फ़िल्म फेस्टिवल, हेल्थ फेयर, बास्केटबॉल टूर्नामेंट, फ़ैशन शो और बहुत कुछ भी शामिल था. इस्लामिक सोसाइटी ऑफ नॉर्थ अमेरिका के सालाना कन्वेंशन की थीम थी टर्निंग पॉइंट्स, नेविगेटिंग चैलेंजेस एंड सीजिंग अपॉर्चुनिटीज़. तो आइए इस कन्वेंशन के ऊपर हमारी रिपोर्ट मुलाहिज़ा फरमाइए. वी हैव हियर विद अस फरियाल खत्री, द कम्युनिकेशन कोऑर्डिनेटर ऑफ ISNA, and we are here at the 54th annual convention of ISNA. So thank you so much for joining us today, and thank you so much for your time. So I'd like to begin by asking you to tell us a little bit about ISNA.
So ISNA, the Islamic Society of North America, is the largest and oldest umbrella organization. And so outside the convention, we have several different service projects, different programs. We have 2 education forums, regional conferences, masjid development team. So we have various services and programs to cater to the needs of the American Muslim community.
Now, we are here at the convention, but besides this annual convention, what are the projects, or what is it that ISNA is involved in throughout the year?
Yeah, so we have an Office of Interfaith and Community Alliances in Washington, D.C. that really focuses on building relationship with our interfaith partners, and so that's something that we really focus on. Additionally, we have our regional conferences. This year's theme is Striving for Justice, and so we talk about different aspects of justice in Islam and how to get involved in those types of discussions. We also have education forums, which are catered to professional development for teachers and administrators of schools. Additionally, we have the Masjid Development Task Force, and they really focus on governance, inclusion of the masjid, various issues that arise, and how to respond to those. And so we have several different projects and several different ways that we try to reach out to the Muslim community.
Now, you're not only in the United States, but I understand you're also in Canada.
Yes, we do serve the United States as well as Canada. ISNA Canada, they are somewhat affiliated with us, but they are an independent organization.
So let's talk about the convention, because this is a really great convention, and right now this year is in Chicago. It's very well attended. There is lots of people here, and you have a lot of activities. You have the bazaar where there is some 500 over 500 booths, I believe. And then you have the health fair, and so tell us what are some of the things, or what are the highlights of this convention?
One of the highlights, I think, something new that we've done this year is the Muhammad Ali exhibit, and that really honors his legacy. He was a champion that we recently had lost, and so that's something that's been a big highlight. A lot of our sessions, last night we had our Saturday night special session with scholars like Tariq Ramadan, Sheikh Yasser Qadi, Dalia Mujahid had also spoke, as well as the Secretary of Homeland Security, Jay Johnson, and Khizr and Ghazala Khan, and who have become really symbolic leaders in our community. And so a lot of the speakers are a big draw and a big highlight for us. We had a service project this morning, so that was really great.
What is the service project?
The service project was with Stop Hunger Now, and so we packaged meals, and those meals will then go to people in need in the United States and abroad. And so we have really a little bit of everything, whatever interests you, for anything from art to basketball to the sessions, film festival, meet the author for new books that are coming out. So we have really a little bit of everything.
So when is the next convention, and where would it be?
It's actually going to be here again in Chicago over 4th of July weekend next year.
And so how can community get involved with the ISNA? How can community support?
Become members. That's one way. If you go to ISNA.net, you'll be able to become a member and support ISNA that way. Follow us on social media, and we've always got different events coming up, and so we would love to host everyone at our regional conferences as well. So I think following us on social media and looking at ISNA.net and becoming members would be a really great way to get involved.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
The point that I want to make is that it is time for us to recognize that Muhammad Ali was truly a Muslim hero. And what I mean by that is that the fight that he was fighting was a Muslim fight. And I say that because many of us think that Muhammad Ali was not a Muslim hero as much as he was a black hero. That he was fighting for the dignity of black people. And now that we live under the circumstances that we live under today, some of us, we are sort of willing to come in and sort of commodify him and then deploy him in ways that may serve interests that are meaningful to us, even if we didn't identify with the issues that were meaningful to him. Be that as it may, I think that those people who tend to see Muhammad Ali as only a black hero and not a Muslim hero are missing a fundamental point.
It is a privilege for me to be present in person here today to speak to you to this full convention of the Islamic Society of North America. I'm told that I'm the highest ranking U.S. government official and the first city cabinet officer to ever speak in person before this convention. I welcome that, as you have welcomed me. I am proud to have broken that glass ceiling and to have created the expectation in the future that government officials of my rank will attend your annual convention. President Obama has made it a priority for his administration to build bridges to American Muslim communities. In 33 months as your Secretary of Homeland Security, I have personally visited American Muslim communities in Boston, New York, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Maryland, Virginia, Detroit, Dearborn, Chicago, Columbus, Houston, Minneapolis, and Los Angeles.
A few weeks back, Uncle Khizr Khan and Sister Ghazala Khan, in 7 minutes, what we were unable to do in 50 years, Uncle Khizr Khan and Auntie Ghazala Khan were able to get that message across in 7 minutes. These amazing individuals have been a blessing to the American Muslim community. And this sister, when she stood over there for 7 minutes in silence, she became the voice of millions of Americans. And she gave the voice to millions of Americans. She showed the entire world what a dignified woman stands for. So this evening, I want to confess that this beautiful couple have inspired millions of Americans, and this extraordinary couple inspired ordinary individuals like myself to carry the Constitution of this great country. This is the power that they have. And tonight, we are recognizing this community of Muslims and people of other faiths who have gathered under this roof. Together, we are recognizing Uncle Khizr Khan and Auntie Ghazala Khan. So Islamic Society of North America, in recognition of their strategic and most timely contributions towards the improvement of the image of Islam and Muslims in America, this award is presented to Ghazala and Khizr Khan, Outstanding Ambassadors of Islam, 53rd Annual ISNA Convention, September 3rd, 2016, Chicago, Illinois. So on your behalf, I present this award to this amazing couple.
The American Muslim community is highly educated. As we know, 10% of doctors are, alhamdulillah, Muslims. As we know, Muslims contribute at every single level of society. Nothing could be further from the truth that they want to get rid of Western civilization. Yet still, these tropes are being advocated and these stereotypes are being propagated.
So this is going to be sort of like an informal chat session here with these super accomplished women who are on the panel today. I'm going to do a quick introduction of each person just so you know a little bit more about them. I'm sure we all already know about them because they have been in the headlines and they are newsmakers. So before we get started, a little bit about myself. I am a news anchor and reporter here in Chicago. My name is Miriam Sobe. If you're local, that's News Radio 780 and 105.9 FM. Traffic and weather together every 10 minutes.
The choice that I make when countering or representing, because regardless, sisters and brothers, whether you want to represent the whole Muslim community or not, and I try not to say that I represent the whole Muslim community because I don't, when someone sees someone who looks like me on national television, the responsibility that I am given, whether I want that responsibility or not, is that I do represent 1.8 billion Muslims across the world, and that is how ordinary people perceive people like us.
We are so overwhelmed to be here. I see my mentors, my leaders sitting everywhere. The burden of our scholar and scholars have gotten heavier because of the assault. Some people feel that this assault may be over. Assault on my community, assault on my religion will be over after November. Do not be mistaken. This assault is far beyond elections.
Young people need our support. This is where Islam will rise again. The greatest thinkers of this ummah will be the ones that were in the depths of doubt, and they were on the verge of losing their faith. And when they found it again, there was no one who had stronger iman than they did. These young people are the future of this ummah. And if we don't invest in them, then I don't care how big our masajid get. I don't care how fancy our, how much land we can buy, how much institutions we can build. The only institution we need to concern ourselves with is this next generation. That's the only one.
ناظرین آپ دیکھ رہے ہیں اسلامک سوسائٹی آف نارتھ امریکہ کے 53rd اینول کنونشن پر ہماری رپورٹ. پروگرام میں اب وقت ہوا ہے ایک چھوٹے سے بریک کا. دیکھتے رہیے. وی ول بی رائٹ بیک. ناظرین آپ دیکھ رہے ہیں اسلامک سوسائٹی آف نارتھ امریکہ ISNA کے 53rd اینول کنونشن پر ہماری رپورٹ. آئیے اس رپورٹ کا بقیہ حصہ ملاحظہ فرمائیے.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Saeed Dura. I'm the National Volunteer Manager with Islamic Relief USA. Islamic Relief USA is a non-profit, is the largest Muslim humanitarian NGO in the world. We're helping people all over the world. We have offices in nearly 40 countries. We're here in Chicago today at the ISNA convention, just trying to raise awareness and raise funds to try and help children in need all over the world. Islamic Relief is at the forefront of trying to help children and orphans, with our office sponsoring close to 15,000 orphans all over the world. So we're here trying again to raise awareness, and every dollar counts. So that's what we're here trying to accomplish at the ISNA convention, inshallah. Jazakumullah khair. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Anam and this is my husband Salman. We are the owners of Convey.
We started this company back in 2010 where we wanted to create two things. We wanted to forge philanthropy and fashion and give back to those who are far less fortunate. Fortunately enough, we've been able to create projects for help flooding victims in Pakistan, earthquake victims in Japan, and many other projects. Especially now, we're donating 15 to 20% from every sale that we make to donate towards creating hygiene kits for Syrian refugees in Greece, inshallah.
Furqan Bookstore is part of Al Furqan Foundation. We are a non-profit organization. We are located in Bolingbrook, Illinois. The foundation was founded in 2006, and the bookstore was we formed the bookstore in 2008, and we have been coming to ISNA since last 11 years, and we have had very good experience here. The bazaar is almost for 3 days. The bazaar runs from Friday till Monday. Every year we see that a lot of people come here to attend. On an average, we get around 20 to 25,000 during the course of 3 days. And we have had good experience, and alhamdulillah, we would inshallah continue to do business and continue to be here at ISNA in the future also.
ARY انٹرنیشنل فاؤنڈیشن آج سے 33 ایئرس پہلے جو ہے وجود میں آئی، اور اس کا ایک مقصد یہی تھا کہ یہ بچوں کے لیے جو ہے ہماری نیکسٹ جنریشن کے لیے جو اسلامک اسٹڈیز اور عربک اسٹڈیز ہیں ان کے لیے ایک سسٹمیٹک کریکولم جو ہے وہ تیار کیا جائے. اس وقت اقرا کے پاس نے تقریباً KG سے لے کے ہائی اسکول تک جو ہے پورا کریکولم جو ہے وہ کمپلیٹ کر لیا ہے. فلی اویلیبل ہے، بکس ہیں، ٹیکسٹ بکس ہیں، اور اس کے بعد جو ہے اب ہم اس تمام میٹیریل کو انٹرنیٹ پہ لانا چاہتے ہیں تاکہ وہ پوری دنیا کو اویلیبل ہو جائے.
بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم. ہم ISNA ریلیف کے حوالے سے میں آپ کے سامنے یہ بات رکھنا چاہ رہا ہوں. آج ہم ISNA کے کنونشن میں موجود ہیں، اور ISNA ریلیف ایک نیشنل آرگنائزیشن ہے، اور ہماری خواہش یہ ہے کہ ایک ایسے دور میں کہ جب ہم اسلاموفوبیا، امریکہ میں اسلاموفوبیا کے دور میں ہیں، اور ہم یہ چاہتے ہیں کہ یہاں جگہ جگہ ہم ایسے ادارے قائم کر دیں کہ جس کے نتیجے میں ہمارے آنے والی نسل جو ہے وہ یہ فخر سے یہ بات کہہ سکے کہ یہ ہم نے یہ ادارے، مسلمانوں نے ادارے قائم کیے ہیں، اور مسلمان دینے والی قوم ہے، لینے والی قوم نہیں ہے. اور اس لیے ہمارے فوڈ پینٹریز، ہمارے ویمن شیلٹرز، ہمارے ٹرانزیشنل ہاؤسز، ہمارے فری کلینکس اور ہمارے ڈیزاسٹر ریلیف، یہ سارے دن رات لگے ہوئے ہیں، اور یہ مسلمانوں کی اور نان مسلمس کی اس سے بلا تفریق کہ وہ کیا رنگ ہے، کیا نسل ہے، کیا زبان بولتے ہیں لوگ، ہم ان کی خدمت کر رہے ہیں، اور یہ دعویٰ ان ایکشن کے حوالے سے یہ کام ہو رہا ہے. اور الحمدللہ ہمیں اس پہ فخر ہے کہ اسلامک ISNA ریلیف جو ایک ایسا کام کر رہی ہے कि जो कि जिसके नतीजे में मुसलमानों का सर फ़ख्र से बुलंद होता है और मुसलमान ये महसूस करते हैं कि उनके खिदमत के हवाले से, उनके काम के हवाले से, उनके मुस्तक़बिल के हवाले से वो सारी चीज़ें जो लोग वो देखते हैं और हम पे एतमाद करते हैं। मैं आप सबसे ये गुजारिश करूँगा कि इकना रिलीफ के लिए आप डोनेशन दें, इसमें मददगार बने, इसमें वॉलंटियर बने और इस काम को आगे बढ़ाएं। जज़ाकुमुल्लाह खैर।
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is Imam Saeed Pursel with the Al Furqan Foundation. I'm here at the ISNA convention in the bazaar. We're here to introduce you to the Al Furqan Foundation and our new product, the Clear Quran. Al Furqan is a dawah organization here in the United States. We have been in the business of spreading the message of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for the last 13 years. We've sent over 1 million copies all around the United States for free to anyone who would like to hear the message of the Quran. Right now, we are extremely excited because we have a brand new translation that we're working with, the Clear Quran. This is a translation done by Dr. Mustafa Khattab. He is a scholar from Al-Azhar University, PhD from the Department of Islamic Studies in the English language and translations. His specialty is presenting Islam to people in the English language. He has done a magnificent work in crafting this Quran to be the most readable, the most contemporary and approachable translation that we've seen yet. In addition to the wonderful translation, he has introductory comments providing context and a synopsis of what you're going to read, as well as thematic headings for the sections of the Quran so that you can have a more comfortable flow throughout the text of the Quran, in addition to footnotes to help understand the slightly more difficult or complex sections of the Quran. We hope that you can come down here, visit us, sponsor a box of Qurans, and help spread the message of Allah's word all across the United States, inshallah. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
Assalamu alaikum. Yes, brothers and sisters and all children, my name is Abdul Hafiz. I am from California and from Al Madina Wholesale Distribution. I am here in ISNA conference, come every year to help my brother Muhammad Javed. He does wholesale of perfumes, attar, azan clock and everything. So we would like to, thank you ARY TV for coming to the ISNA conference. We were doing this business from last 35 years in California, and we come to attend this convention. Is one of the best conventions for the Muslim Ummah that is spreading the word of dawah and the peace in whole United States of America and all over the world. ISNA conference in Chicago, so we came to also attend that. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum. Representing Weekend Learning Publishers and Taqwa Prints, we are the publisher of Islamic Studies books. These books are being used in over 1,200 schools all over the world: Canada, USA, UK, Australia, Nigeria, Ghana, Africa, Middle East, and many other countries. Schools are benefiting because we provide a structured curriculum of Islamic studies. Large number of schools find benefit from structured lessons. These are organized by the grade, and lessons are according to the grade level and level of knowledge. So schools find these structured lessons very useful, very focused, very organized, and Alhamdulillah, I should say in over 10 years' time, more than 1,200 schools are benefiting from these books.
हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मैं उज़मा मिर्ज़ा बोल रही हूँ. I have a boutique in Michigan, and please come and visit. I'm here in ISNA. I've been following this now like 15 years, and please come and visit me in Michigan. हर साल मैं फैशन शो करती हूँ, तो उसमें सिर्फ I am only one vendor. Like you can see all this jewelry and clothing. So I really enjoyed. Thank you so much. Pakistan Zindabad!
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Haba Maksood and I'm representing Zaytuna College. Zaytuna is the first Muslim liberal arts college in the United States. We're also accredited. We're located in Berkeley, California. You can get more information by going to zaytuna.edu. Assalamu alaikum.
Okay, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ahmed and I am with the Zakat Foundation of America, Zakat Foundation of America. We do udhiyah or qurbani as our Pakistani brothers and sisters call it. We do qurbani, we actually slaughter the animals in 5 different continents in the globe, and so it's slaughtered locally and it's delivered to the doorsteps of orphans and refugees on the morning of Eid so that everybody can have a good Eid. And so we encourage you to go to zakat.org, zakat.org, so that you can make sure that you do your part to ensure everybody has a good Eid with udhiyah meat, inshallah. Thank you.
नाज़रीन, आपने इस्लामिक सोसाइटी ऑफ नॉर्थ अमेरिका ISNA के 53rd एनुअल कन्वेंशन पे जो कि शिकागो में मुनक़द हुआ हमारी रिपोर्ट मुलाहिज़ा फरमाई। उम्मीद है आपको ये रिपोर्ट पसंद आई होगी। अपनी आरा से हमें आगाह करते रहिए। आपके स्क्रीन पे जो एड्रेस है उस पर हमें अपने कमेंट्स, अपने फ़ीडबैक भेजते रहिए और हमारे प्रोग्राम की पिछली एपिसोड्स को देखने के लिए प्लीज़ विज़िट pakistanlink.com/ARY। प्रोग्राम का वक्त अब ख़त्म हुआ चाहता है। अपना ख्याल रखिएगा। खुदा हाफिज़।